Welcome to the Narcissism Unmasked channel, where we will reveal to you truths you may not have known about the world of narcissists. Here, you will find everything to help you understand how to deal with narcissists, avoid their negative impacts, and we will also provide you with support and hope to regain your life and self-confidence. Don't forget to support us with likes, comments, and shares to spread awareness and help more people break free from the hell of narcissism. Let's get started. Welcome to a new episode where we will talk about the power of silence and its impact on the narcissist. Silence, when used in the right place, with the right people, and in the right situation, can be very powerful and impactful in ways you cannot imagine. Narcissists are well known for using silence against you, which can be very harmful and painful as it is used as a means of hurt and punishment. You can use silence to protect yourself, and when you can do that, you protect your mental and emotional peace and avoid arguments and problems. The only thing you should want from a narcissist is for them to leave you alone, and for that reason, silence becomes one of the most effective and powerful ways you can use to defeat the narcissist. It also helps you identify any potential narcissist or toxic person in the future. It is very important that your goal is to remain silent and calm when dealing with a narcissist because if you are silent but visibly angry or stressed, the narcissist can exploit that. Silence, my friends, speaks volumes, but its impact and strength depend on your behavior and actions. Silence in a negative situation will not benefit your mental health at all, and if this happens with a narcissist, they can tell that they are the cause of your negativity, meaning they can affect and manipulate you and your negative reactions. However, when you are silent with emotional stability, meaning you are not affected by the actions of the narcissist and you ignore everything related to them, it means the narcissist realizes they have lost you, and your internal silence and stability make them powerless against you. Silence, my friends, has very important benefits, and this is what I want to talk to you about today. It will be a key to protecting yourself from the narcissist, and it also enables you to detect any new narcissist or toxic person who might enter your life. One of the most important benefits of silence is that it allows you to read the people around you. When you deal with a narcissist silently, you will understand and know much more about them than you would by interacting with them, because the narcissist exploits your emotions to prevent you from understanding their true intention in their relationship with you. They also prevent you from noticing their true personality, which is hidden behind the mask they use to interact with you. That's why, when you are more silent without any interaction with them, you can notice more contradictions in their personality and understand how they can deal with people in different ways. This is a very important skill to have, especially when you are meeting new people. It's always better to observe and listen more than to talk and never rush to trust someone you are meeting for the first time. The second reason why silence is one of the strongest weapons against the narcissist is that it helps you avoid saying things that could be used against you later. Narcissists always love to provoke people to get reactions from them, but when you stay silent, they won't have anything to use against you. Remember, not interacting with the narcissist is a severe form of torture for them because they want you to talk to them, interact with them, argue, and debate. Your goal should be to never give them what they need. Narcissists feel a sense of hunger due to your silence and lack of interaction with them. Another reason why silence is so powerful when dealing with a narcissist is that it deprives them of control and puts you in a position of control, not only over your environment but also over your own emotions. You become more aware of yourself regarding any emotions or feelings that arise when you are with certain people. You can simply know yourself, understand yourself, and recognize your true value, which is extremely important to have complete confidence in yourself. Narcissists hate your silence because it deprives them of their control over you and scares them because they know what silence does and how impactful it can be when they use it on their victim, knowing well how painful and hurtful it can be. When you use silence, your primary goal is not to hurt or punish, but to protect yourself and your emotions and to stay away from any source of pain you might encounter with a toxic person. That's why the matter is in your hands, and you can achieve peace for yourself when you decide to control your emotions. Know and be certain of something important. The narcissist's main concern is to turn your life into chaos, hell, and confusion, and they are extremely happy when they see you sad. If you can do that, you can completely destroy the narcissist's control over you, your life, and your emotions. Please write in the comments if you have tried silence with a narcissist and what the result was. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you found the information we provided about narcissism and how to deal with it useful. If you have any experiences or questions, please share them in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Narcissism Unmasked and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. If you like the video, support me with a like and share it with your friends to spread awareness and help more people. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.